So the reason I decided to change the construction of the garage cabinet was just this wall thickness. Since I was using 2 layers of 1/4 inch plus that little framing piece in between, I ended up, 2 1/4 inches thick on 2 walls together. But with this newer construction, I'm only using 2 pieces of 1/2 inch, so I save 1 inch and 1/4 on the width. Dry fit of this cabinet, and then I realized I accidentally cut a dado where I wasn't supposed to. Need to make some infill pieces now. Got the cabinet faces on, but what I forgot to account for was the thickness of the barrel on the piano hinge. So now it pushes the door out by a little bit too much. I'm gonna have to go back and fix that. These uppers are fold downs, so if I'm ever working on something on the tailgate and I need more workspace, I have upper shelving.